Welcome to the ultimate sci-fi showdown. Tonight, we pit two of the most iconic killers in cinematic history against each other, the relentless Terminator and the stealthy Predator. Who will emerge victorious in this epic battle? Strap in as we dive deep into this clash of titans, exploring every detail, every move, and every possible outcome. This isn't just a fight, it's a spectacle that will keep you on the edge of your seat, so let's get started. The battlefield is a desolate, war-torn city, a haunting reminder of the war between machines and humans. Smoke rises from the ruins, fires flicker in the distance, and an eerie wind howls through the wreckage. From the shadows emerges the T-800 Terminator, unstoppable, unfeeling, and engineered for one purpose: destruction. But it's not alone. The Predator, a deadly alien hunter from a distant world, has arrived. Cloaked in cutting-edge technology, it's ready to stalk its prey with precision and cunning. This isn't just a fight for survival, it's a battle for supremacy that will determine the ultimate Predator. Let's break down our contenders. First, the Terminator. This cybernetic assassin, created by Skynet, is a marvel of futuristic engineering. Its hyperalloy endoskeleton makes it nearly indestructible, capable of withstanding bullets, explosions, and even direct missile strikes. Its strength is off the charts, allowing it to crush steel with its hydraulic grip and lift massive objects like cars with ease. Equipped with an advanced CPU, it can analyze situations, adapt its strategies, and learn from every encounter. Its primary weapon is a plasma rifle, capable of unleashing devastating energy blasts, but its true power lies in its relentless will to terminate its target, no matter the cost. The Terminator doesn't feel pain, it doesn't tire, and it won't stop until its mission is complete. Now, let's turn to the Predator. This elite Yuja warrior hails from a race that lives for the thrill of the hunt, seeking out the deadliest species across the galaxy. Physically, it rivals the Terminator in strength, but its edge comes from its advanced technology. The Predator's plasma caster, mounted on its shoulder, fires energy blasts hot enough to melt through steel and concrete. Its wrist blades are razor-sharp, designed for close-quarters combat with surgical precision. The retractable spear adds versatility, while the energy shield offers temporary protection. But the real game-changer is its cloaking device, rendering it nearly invisible to the naked eye, and its thermal vision, which detects heat signatures in any environment. Beyond its arsenal, the Predator brings centuries of hunting experience, tactical brilliance, and an instinctual understanding of its prey. However, unlike the Terminator, it can feel pain, bleed, and has limits to its endurance, factors that could play a role in a prolonged battle.